What's going on, you bloody legends? Welcome back. In this episode, I head out on my fishing kayak off the west coast of Moreton Island. Come along on the hunt for some fresh fish and join me as I cook it up over the campfire. Yo! Alright, have a go at the setups.
Pretty good, eh?
Little inflatable fishing boat. I like that. Got a little makeshift esky out of the kitchen sink. Got Jordan on the drone. Let's rip in. Over here we got the yak. Have a go at the conditions. Okay, so I'm just going to trawl this ledge over here. There's a bit of a deeper section over here, and behind me at the back I'm going to have this big hard body lure. Then in a bit closer I'm going to have this little hard body lure. So just a little deep diver trawling lure. Woohoo! Something small on the light gear, having a bit of a fight. Hey, oh, a little, I actually don't know what that is. Little reef fish. A little on the small side, so I'm just going to get him back in the drink. See if we can get a big one, eh? Oh, fish on. Woohoo! Hey. He's going for it. Ah, it's a bream. Not too sure what that is. Some sort of plant growing out of him. Possibility of some kind of parasite or something, maybe. Let me know in the comments if you guys have seen this before. This is the best fish I've got so far that I know is legal. So yeah, I'm just going to keep him. Hopefully try and get some more. Just cruising on by with a little turtle underneath. That is awesome. See you, mate. All right, we're on. Oh, it's a perch. Not a bad little perch. Biggest one I've ever caught, I reckon. It's only small, but still not too sure they grow too big. All right, we're on again. On that small hard body once again. It's done the job today. All right, what is it? Oh, it's a flatty. Yes. Perfect little hook up there in the mouth. Gonna put this little guy out of his misery and then take him back to camp and prepare him up for either a bit of lunch or a bit of dinner later on. Stoked. Woo! That's that little hard body lure. That has just done wonders today. Got every fish on that. I was hoping for a bit of a bigger one to snap up this one, but might be a bit too big for how deep it really was out there. Anyway, stoked. Thumbnail right there. All right. So I've just I've gutted and scaled these fish. Now I'm gonna see if I can get some little fillets out of this flatty, and then I think I'm just gonna wrap up the perch and the bream in a bit of alfoil and just put in a few bits like lemon, garlic, butter, salt and pepper, things like that. All right, pretty simple. Just gonna put some minced garlic in there with him. Can't go wrong with a shitload of garlic. A couple of lemon rings. Just going to take the seeds out of these. Bit of salt and pepper. Bit of butter. Now I'm just going to wrap them up. And then when we do go to cook them later on tonight, I'm just going to got some instant batter here. I'm going to put these flathead fillets into some batter and fry them up in a pan, I think. So that's it. Simple, easy, and delicious. There we go. Beautiful white flesh. Ooh, that's delicious. Oh yeah, dog. Woo!
So, Mr. Let's Rip In, what pieces of the fish can you eat and what pieces can't you eat? Obviously everyone knows the bones, that's clear, but what else?
Why are you talking like that? Just like, what? That's that,
No!